All right. You know, I care about my parents a lot, so it doesn't matter where I am. As you can see, show them around, let them see where I am. I will still give you updates. I am not in the country, but I will still give you update from my apartment. This is my apartment. This is where I am. This is where I am, but I'm giving you updates. I'm giving you updates, yes. So now I read in the news that the reps, the one time passed a bill that will stop Nigerians from running away from the country. That is Japa. I don't really have much to say in regards to that, but what I'm going to say is that you have not make the place favorable for the youth, and you want to block them from traveling to go and look for greener pasture. If you lock them in the country, are you the one that is going to feed their family? Don't you? What you need to know is that most of the people that travel abroad to go and look for greener pasture, most of them, they go there, they work, money they have, they send it to their family to develop their family. They build house. If, for example, a house is small and is bad, when the one person in the family travel to another country, the person will make money, give them money, they will make the house big. Don't you know that is a means of developing the state? You want to block the road, and your children are traveling out to go and study. So you want to block the road for the poor people, and then you open the road for your family, for the bourgeois. It will not work. I'm happy that the House of Rep, they ban the bill. That bill cannot fly. That is not the kind of bill you pass. Pass poverty alleviation bill. A bill that will eradicate poverty. Tourism bill. You are passing bills that will stop youth from traveling out of the country. Allah, please, I don't have much to say. All I have to say in regards to this matter is let the poor breathe. Let the poor breathe. Let the poor breathe. Don't suffocate them. Even as I'm talking about what this House of Rep was trying to do before the speaker blocks the bill, some people will still watch this video and say, "Man, Shaibu don't have sense." I agree. I don't have sense, but I am the spice creator. This is something I don't want to shout because I'm outside the country. Here they don't shout. If you shout, police will come and say why you shout. If not, I will tell you that I'm the spice creator. This is me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.